Scaffold accident lawyers. Every day in New York City, construction workers put their lives at risk working at dangerous heights. Scaffolding accidents are one of the most serious hazards on job sites, and if you're injured, you need to understand your rights under New York law. Let's break down what you need to know if you're involved in a scaffold accident in NYC. New York has strong labor laws to protect construction workers. The Scaffold Law, under New York Labor Law Section 240, requires property owners and contractors to provide safe equipment like scaffolding, ladders, ropes, and hoists. If safety protocols aren't followed, injured workers can hold these parties responsible for their injuries. What is New York's Scaffold Law? New York Labor Law Section 240 is designed to protect workers from gravity-related injuries, such as falls or injuries caused by falling objects. This law mandates that all scaffolding over 20 feet must have safety rails, be properly secured, and be strong enough to bear 4 times the intended load. The law holds contractors, property owners, and their agents accountable if they fail to meet these safety requirements. If a worker is injured because a scaffold collapses or lacks the necessary protections, the responsible parties can be held liable for the worker's medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages. Common causes of scaffold accidents in NYC. Scaffold accidents happen for various reasons, including improper construction or lack of maintenance, slips and trips on scaffolding, missing or defective safety equipment, overloaded scaffolds, falling debris or objects, scaffolding collapse. In many cases, employers and contractors neglect safety protocols to save time or money, putting workers at risk. When this happens, the injured worker has the right to file a claim under the Scaffold Law. How does workers' compensation apply to scaffold accidents? While workers' compensation covers many construction site injuries, it often limits an employee's right to sue an employer. However, New York's Scaffold Law allows workers to pursue additional compensation from third parties, like contractors, property owners, or equipment manufacturers. The key difference with the Scaffold Law is that it holds these third parties strictly liable. If safety protocols are violated, the worker doesn't have to prove negligence, just that a safety violation occurred and caused their injuries. Common injuries from scaffold accidents. Scaffold accidents can lead to severe injuries, such as broken bones, spinal cord injuries, traumatic brain injuries, amputation, neck and back injuries, fatalities. These injuries can have lifelong consequences, affecting a worker's ability to earn a living and support their family. That's why it's essential to consult an experienced scaffold accident lawyer to help you navigate your legal options. What to do after a scaffold accident. If you're injured in a scaffold accident, take the following steps. Report the incident to your employer immediately. Document the scene and your injuries with photos and notes. Seek medical attention right away to ensure your injuries are properly treated and documented. Consult an attorney who is familiar with scaffold accidents. A skilled lawyer can help you file a personal injury claim or a wrongful death claim if you've lost a loved one in a construction accident. Having a law firm like L Sanchez Law Office on your side ensures your case is handled professionally and effectively. For a free consultation, contact L Sanchez Law Office at 3706 82nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, or call 646-701-7990.